my channel. It's RuthNanda here, aka Lo. What's good, what's popping, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. We like to take care of our natural hair on a budget and everything else on a budget, sis. We like to just save our coins. So make sure you're subscribed and like this video down below if you're interested in stuff like that. And if you are a newcomer, welcome, child, welcome back. Lo gang, what's goody, what's popping? Okay, thank you for checking another video from moi. Okay, y'all, so we will be trying some products from Ebin New York, and it's going to be some curl products. It's their Style to Finish collection that they have, which is Brazilian avocado and manuka honey. So yes, they're giving us the lusciousness, the moisture. Different products in this particular line, and I have a few of the products that we're going to be trying out today to make these curls pop. So we're going to use a curl activator, and we are going to use the curl milk, which is instant moisturization, natural shine boost, lightweight, no flaking is what it claims. And then we are probably going to use this curl elongating, frizz, healthy looking curls, and maintains moisture. And I'm interested in trying all of these, but I want to see how this is gonna work. We about to see if all of these mesh. I might do a little test. Matter of fact, let's do a little test to find out if all these products actually work together and see if we can apply it to the hair before we even try this. So let's do that. As you guys saw, it does pass the test that it all mixes together. So this should be fun, exciting, and I'm excited to see what the style is going to look like whenever it comes out. So if you guys are interested in seeing the results for these Bantu knots, make sure you keep watching, okay, first of all. And second of all, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe down below. We're gonna have a moment for you to do that. Okay, you ready? Okay, cool. Yes, let's get back into it. So yeah, let's get into these Bantu knots. Okay, you guys, so my hair now is freshly washed. I know it looks crazy, but it's all washed and clean and ready to apply these products and try them out. So the first thing we're gonna do is get down to section out these Bantu knots. I don't want to have them too big. I want to have them medium size. First product I'm gonna apply is the curl milk, which this is what it looks like. Okay guys, so I applied the product. I can tell automatically it is very hydrating, does define my curls very quickly. As far as the smell, I don't know, like it smells like cream to me. I don't know, it smells cream. I don't know, I don't smell any particular smell. I don't give off any aroma of like honey or anything like that, but the product is giving some hydration, you feel me, and definition. So I'm gonna go in to the curl activator and when it comes to the curl activator, I don't know, it smells like alcohol, but and it does have alcohol in here. So if you're going to curly girl, super curly girl method where they don't use any alcohol, this product may not be for you, but it does give some definitions. It's giving some definition up and through here, so I'm all for that. Okay, I'm all for some definition and making my hair feel soft. I'm going to apply this hair gel, sis. I'm excited about this too. Now I smell the manuka and honey inside of this gel. I really do. I smell that in here. It's kind of thick. Okay, this is giving, I might do a wash and go, honey, but nah, I really want some Bantu now, so we're gonna make this work, girl. We're gonna make this work. I do love that the gel is very thick. It is thick, so you will have, if you have thick hair, this will kind of help you a little bit. Okay guys, so now that I have my hair hydrated, I am just going to section off in 2 sections, and I am going to start to Bantu knot it. So there's 2 ways you can Bantu knot it. You can Bantu knot by just twisting the hair consistently like you're going to do a coil, and consistently twist around and then continue to twist until it wraps around each other. So I'm going to show y'all me doing that. I hope that makes sense. And because sometimes it don't always stay, because sometimes it doesn't always stay. It will come out like that. I would use a hair clip. I would use a hair clip if it do not stay, just to make sure the hair stays down and secure into a knot, and it will look like that. And then the other way of doing another Bantu knot is taking it and doing a 2-strand twist, and then wrapping the 2-strand twist around each other, like around into a Bantu knot, and you just continue to wrap. And then you can use the same securing method with a bobby pin, and it will look like that. Okay, so the method I'm gonna mainly use is the 2-strand twist and then wrap. I just like that, and it gives more a defined curl versus the other one gives more of a body curl. I have done both before, and the twisting by on top of each other gives body, and the 2-strand gives definition, extra definition, in my opinion. So if you guys ever want me to do 2 separate videos doing verses, then let me know. I can definitely do that for you guys. So make sure you are subscribed down below and thumbs it up this video so I know that you guys want videos like that. Okay, you guys, I've done a lot. One more with you guys to show you how I do it, and then we gonna move on to seeing how this hair is gonna turn out, sis. Make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, now I am done. It's all done. Okay, I will figure out the edges and whatever after the fact, but because I didn't get any oil, I am going to use my Eden Growth oil just to put some oil in my roots, because baby, these roots need to be oiled. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this hair on the hair dryer, guys, and just make sure you guys are subscribed. I finally finished drying this morning. I ain't gonna lie to you, because I was like, I am not going on no hair dryer tonight. It's not happening.
Get somebody else to do it.
Let's get into it. It is giving everything it's supposed to have gave. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I really like it. I had a little fluff on it, but you know, you guys, I don't mind little fluff, little frizz. I like that. It gives the hair some definition, because the more defined it is, that means the more fluff and picking I would have to do with my comb. And with it having a little fluff, I don't have to do all that picking because it hides the parts. Okay, so yeah, I really do like the results. And would I use these products again? Yes, I give these products 2 thumbs up. There was not much of a smell as far as the Manuka honey. I think, like I told you guys, the only thing that had a smell was the gel tube. The hole on that gel was actually medium to firm, so I can get with that. It can work for a wash and go, and it can just work for a regular style. So I appreciate that. Thank you, Ebin, for that much. And the other products, I feel like they worked well together. There was not too much crunchiness, like I said, and I didn't put any oil on it, so that's pretty good for not applying any oil. It did dry well, and it is approved to me for the winter time, because since you can still style your hair, sit on the dryer, and you'll be ready to go with these products. So I like that for sure. So yeah, guys, overall I give these products, like I said, a 2 thumbs up. I will definitely use them again. Excited to use it for a twist out or a wash and go to see how that works. So you guys a 10% discount in the description box if you guys are interested in picking up these products as well. Definitely check the description box for 10% off, you guys. That will save you a couple coins, because you know we like to do that over here. You know we all about the growth right here. So as hair is growing, we are growing and changing with it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below about these products, and would you try them out? What do you think about the style? Are you guys frizz people too? Do you like a little frizz? Do you like it completely defined? I would love to know down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video so the YouTube algorithm know what's up and popping. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, because you know you want to join Low Gang, because we take care of natural hair over here on a budget, sis, and saving our coins. So make sure you do that, as well as hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. And yeah, guys, so until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.